Well, good morning. At least it is here for me. This video is going to be a quick tutorial on how to just kind of pack up the inside of the camper when you're ready to take off. This is a series of videos we're doing on the 2022 No Bounds camper that we rent here at Rocky Tracks. So we've done the other videos on the outside setup and tear down. We did some videos on specific components on the camper, and so today this will just be how to pack up the inside of the camper so that it's ready for travel. So I'm going to start with this tricky little table. We had a little video on how to set the table up on the setting up part, but I'm going to show you how to tear this table down so you can stow it. And the trick to this table is, if you can see this little yellow latch right here, all you do is push the latch that way, and that releases the legs on this table, and then you just push the table legs that way. I'll do it one more time. Release the yellow latch, fold these down like this, and then you'll notice that I took the couch, the extra couch seats, and I stowed them on the bed. These are like end seats for the dinette couch area. They don't stay in the cabin because I have to bring the whole dinette slide in. So I lay them up here on the bed, on either end of the bed, and then I take the table and I stow it right in between the cushions. And it's very important that you stow it this way. If you put this table and let it slide all the way up against the front of the camper, these legs will bang against that window and it could crack it. So very important, make sure that it's stowed lengthwise like that. And that's the table portion. Let's see what else we got going on here. I'm going to flip this screen around. Okay, so there's another look at the two couch cushions, not cushions, or like seats, and the table. So the rest of the camper setup is pretty quick and easy. If you have any leftover dishes, you can just put those in the sink so they're not sliding around on the countertop. Make sure the stove top is down. If you have any dirty towels or hand cloths, you can just lay those in the bottom of the shower. That's usually a good place to put them. Here at Rocky Tracks, we take care of the camper cleaning, so there's no need for any kind of a deep clean, but I always appreciate a tidy camper when it comes back. So dirty laundry towels in there if you want. What dishes are left over in the sink. You can leave the bed made or unmade, but obviously it would be easier to stow all this stuff if the comforter was kind of spread out. Make sure the TV is buckled and secure. All the cabinets are closed and secure. And make sure the thermostat, the heater's turned off, or AC, whichever one it may have been. Make sure the just all the little things that are normally go with the camper are stowed and put away so they don't rattle around. And then of course go through it for all your personal items, just kind of looking for all the little nooks and crannies where you might have left phone chargers and things like that. Okay, now we're going to bring the slide in. So you can see right here we have the slide in and out, so we're just going to bring it in right now. Make sure that everything's out of the way before we bring that slide in, and then you just do that, push of a button. When you're operating the slide, it's best if once you start it, you keep going until you're at the end of the cycle. So don't let off the button until the slide is all the way in, and you'll hear it stop. I've been told by the manufacturers stopping midstream sometimes causes the motors to get out of sync that operate that slide. I don't know about that, but I just pass that on because that's what I've been told. So once you start pushing the slide out or bringing it in, don't stop until you're all the way there. And that is about it. I don't see anything else other than to turn out the lights, grab my coffee, and head home. So thanks for following along in this series of videos on the No Boundaries camper that we rent here at Rocky Tracks. I'm excited for my customers to get a chance to experience this camper. I really enjoyed it this weekend. I brought it out here to Moab, did some dirt biking. I'm tired, but I had a great time, and I think this camper is going to be an awesome camper for a family of 4 or a couple that just want to come see what's in western Colorado and eastern Utah. So again, if you have any questions about any of my rentals, whether it be the campers or the dirt bikes or the camper setup and delivery or any of the other services that we offer, do reach out. I'm Andy, and you can contact me best by email at info@rockytracks.com. That's TRAX, info@rockytracks.com. Thank you.